So, good morning, guys. New project we started in the Chatswood. This is a place we want to build two timber retaining wall and following the garden edge to the boundary. Okay, it's hard on the hills working. What we did, we set the line and we dig holes for the steel post. We bought a steel post 75 by, let's see, this is a steel post 75 by 110, 603 courses of the timbers, a slipper, 75 mil slippers. We dig holes for the post about 400 500 down and then concrete it in the holes by the quick set concrete bastion. We use it from the Bunnings always. So first we set the line from the corner. We want to finish the ball in the corner of the stairs, as you can see, and then continuing the line every 1.5 dig down the post holes, and then we set it by the concrete. We marked for 600 height of a slipper to avoid filling by the concrete. The other one as well. This is the concrete we use always. That's a good one. We put it to the hole around the post and then add water and a bit vibration by the steel bar around the two will be set. It's a quick set concrete. $600 on top, 500 to the concrete. This is 1.1. So, just I like to note that to check the level for the post, we have to check in the two directions. One of them is to checking that side. By this one, it's matic and going there. Stick to the post level, and also we need another level checking the other direction to check its level, and then we fill it up by the concrete. Also we mark it for 600 top. In the corner we're using C-post. The C-post is just to start or to finish the wall. As you can see, this is the C-post. It's retained IT post. It's a galvanized for using for the timber retaining walls, and also the concrete slippers retaining walls. We have to dig down and touch to the top of this timber.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
We're back to the job. It's a morning in the Chatswood, north of the Sydney. It's a beautiful weather and a good view to the Chatswood city center. Looks good. So what we're doing today, You have to cut the timber inside of the post and then put it there. But first course of timber should be screwed to the steel post. Otherwise, it will move during the times. So it's a this is a really hardwood. It's a big 75 by 200 and 3 meter long.
Oh, it's just like a big dump.
Good morning, guys.
Good?
And this is a screw. We're working by that. It's a big one to cut through hole the timber. Otherwise, the others it's a small one, and we have to cut in 2 times. This one. It's easier to use the bigger stand screw. So sorry. So let's do the job, and I'll show you how it's look like when it's finished. First we have to put the timber and then cleaning back, install the pipe, aggregate, and then cover it by soil. Also we have to attach a fabric landscaping behind the timber retaining wall to stop the soil not coming through the joints. So after finish the wall, we set up the fabric behind the wall to stop the soil, and then laying the pipe, level it to that way, catch the water and going there, and then we cover it by the aggregate. This is the recycled concrete. We use it as an aggregate, more friendly, use recycled material. So guys, wall completed, and we fill it up by the soil. We dig it down, and then we bring the soil by excavator to the boxes. And also the bin is full. So retaining wall nearly completed. Looks good. We have 2 space, one there and one the other one for the features. One of them should be the plant feature, and the other one is the stone, big natural stone feature there. So guys, as you can see, we continue the decking. We do the structure today. It's a rainy day actually. We continue this decking stairs. It comes there, a step up, another step landing, and another step landing, and going to the existing deck on the front of the door. And then later we laying that way decking board, following this pattern. And also we install the steel edge. This one can be shaped. It's 400 millimeter wide. We shape it, and there is a post, a steel post behind it, and this is 2 claps together. Going there, another claps by the lock, and then continue the curve, nice curve. Can you make by this steel edge? And the good things is 400 meter, 400 wide height actually. We need to fill it back by the gravel and install the pipe as well. Like a timber retaining wall, we did it in the front. And also, that's the job. So after install the edge, we continue tailing. Install the board by the screws, hidden screws from the side by the tool. That's showing in the other videos as well how it's work. And we touch the border and the line and then continue the other side. This one, Mehdi,